Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you touch me not plant. If we touch the plant, the leaves should be closed.
Show the tree.
Plant.
Show the plant. Touch it.
Look.
See how leaves are closing. Now all are closed. Say bye.
Bye.